Just landed in Seattle. I will show you every way to get into Seattle from SeaTac. Sit baggage claim 9. Got it. Getting to the Link light rail is easy from baggage claim. Just head up the escalators to the 4th floor and take a sky bridge over to the parking level. There are signs to direct you to the Link. Look for and follow the blue and green stripes. All right, here we are at the Link light rail. And you can use a touchscreen to choose your destination. And for just $3, you can get to a whole bunch of places in downtown Seattle. Here it is, on top of board. Always let people off before you get on. We made it, we're here. Next, driving into the city on an Uber. For the majority of all other modes of transport into Seattle, you'll want to head over the Sky Bridge and down to the 3rd level. This is where you can pick up the taxis, and that's the first thing you'll see. We're gonna head over to ride share. You're gonna look for the green boxed off area, and you'll be able to tell when there's a lot of anxious people looking around waiting for their car, and it's right over here. We're here, we're gonna take off, we're gonna get our Uber into the city. We are heading into the city. We are actually getting to the heart of the city, right in the middle of downtown. And this is almost certainly where you're gonna be staying. Iconic Space Needle. You just got into town, and the first thing you do when you get in Seattle, you get a cup of coffee. Some of the best coffee in the city. KXP is one of our oldest radio stations. It plays all kinds of music. And that they also have coffee, chef kiss.